rushing my breathing now. No race I'm trying to win. The noise is fading on its own. I let the quiet in. Windows open, afternoon, dust in lines of golden bloom. Every sound is soft and slow, like the day knows where to go. I don't feel the need to move, don't feel stuck, don't feel improved. Just a moment standing still, learning how to stay with it. I don't need to chase the ground, I don't need unique sound. Everything I try to be feels lighter when it's just me. I'm still here, nothing breaking, nothing pulling me away. I'm still here, not escaping, just letting the moment stay. No big answer, no clear sign, just this steady state of mind. I'm still here, and that's enough for the second. step, counting progress, counting breaths. Now the numbers fall apart. When I listen to my heart, nothing missing, nothing wrong, nothing I've been waiting on. If the future calls my name, it can wait, I'm okay. I don't need to outrun days, I don't need a better pace. If I slow the need to know, something real begins to show. I'm still here, nothing breaking, nothing pulling me away. I'm still here, not escaping, just letting the moment stay. No big answer, no clear sign, just this steady state of mind. I'm still here, and that's enough for this second, for this time. Maybe peace is just this space when I stop the constant chase. I'm still here.